losing a family is something very emotional. But at least, if you have given somebody decent burial, one will be able to internalize and accept the loss. When you have not seen the body, that becomes very difficult. Mwili ya hawa watu mpaka saizi haijapatikana. If you recall the case of some mutilated bodies, unidentifiable bodies which were found in the Tsavo National Park, I went to Nairobi mortuary. Over 500 people came to see whether those are bodies of their loved ones.
As ODPP, we have come with a number of tools, including the plea bargaining and diversion, to try and reduce the numbers and declog, so that the petty cases like you've had here of a person stealing a goat should not really be going to court if they can be sorted out immediately and in an amicable way. So we are looking at alternative ways, but we're also working with the judiciary to fast track cases in court by trying to see how we can digitize some of the processes and reduce the cumbrous process and bureaucracy that are inherent in our system right now.